Wait, did he really say that?
Twa, nein.
22!
Come think about start. It'll take you 10.
Class, who can explain the relationship between the Earth and the Sun? The Sun is actually a giant flashlight. Mistakes are just part of learning.
So I can do better?
They help us grow. I have the results here. Overall, you did well.